Look at that. Mmm. Mmm. I am making jalapeno cornbread. I'm gonna tell you what I'm going to use as I go. I'm using 1 cup of flour, 2 cups of cornmeal, sugar, a teaspoon of baking soda. Next, a little salt, just a little. Oh, and we're gonna kind of mix the dry ingredients together. Put the dry ingredients aside. Here is a bowl of onions, green onions, bell peppers, and jalapenos. And I'm gonna add this to here because I want to soften that up. Get that salt, bring out all the sweetness of those veggies. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of butter. Bring out them flavors. Let that cook and bring out the flavors. Once it brings out the flavors, then you're gonna add it into your flour, cornmeal, and all that mixture. Next, we're gonna add that's probably like about 1.5 cups of sour cream, 1 cup of carnation milk, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, nice and soft and sweated all those juices out. And you're going to add it to your cornbread mixture. But as you add it, stir it because it's hot and you don't want it to cook. It's sort of like if you're making hot water cornbread. Grease my pan, my muffin pan, and add the cornbread mix. Some I filled up a little higher so they don't rise. And there you go. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 25 to 35 minutes, but always check because according to everybody's oven. The top part with, what's this, sharp cheddar cheese or whatever cheese is your favorite, while it's hot so it can melt. Pan of jalapeno cornbread. And a pan of sweet jalapeno cornbread with cheddar cheese on top. So, look at that.